done well today, Duggee. Oh.
Sleep well, caterpillar.
Well, Duggee, it looks like it's nap time. Oh, woof.
What's that?
Asleep at last.
Zaza says, do you like camping, Sergeant Smash? Yes, you need to be tough to survive this, Zaza.
Rolly has the right idea, Squirrels.
Yeah.
Oh, look. Sleepy squirrels.
Duggee?
Other animals like to sleep while holding on to something. Sea otters, Californian sea otters, they hold hands when they're sleeping, so they don't drift away from each other.
Us into the snow. I say, I think our knowledge of wildlife really helped Tag get to sleep.
Well done, Squirrels. You've earned your sleeping bag. Oh, that was... sleep tight, Duggee.
Hey.
Huh? Oh, son. Trees are home to spiders. Slumber. A place to sleep. A bed. A safe haven. Away from the hustle and bustle of... Bye, everybody. Oh, that was fun, wasn't it, Duck? Oh, Duggee.
I was at Squirrel Club. Only